Hey everybody, I just got my new Shark vacuum cleaner in, and me and my little eager helpers are gonna show you all about it and give you a good review. As you can tell, my playroom is pretty dirty right now. So let's clean it up. This is the vacuum cleaner I ordered, the Shark Vertex cordless. It has the, says it here, it's got the power fins. It's supposed to pick up all this awesome stuff. So let's open our box up. Well, I've got my Shark vacuum cleaner charging. I've got it plugged in right here and you can see the lights going. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of information on why I chose to buy this particular vacuum cleaner. First of all, I am part of a Facebook group and I asked on there what people like to use the best, and almost everybody said Shark. And there were a couple of Dysons, but everybody pretty much said Shark. So I chose from that. Some people said Shark Vertex, Duo, upright, just different kinds of things, but I chose the Vertex because I wanted a smaller cordless vacuum cleaner that could be rechargeable, and I like the idea of the Duo cleaning fins. It basically digs in deeper into your carpet and stuff and cleans it deeper and then sucks it up. This is supposed to suck up like a pile of Cheerios, sand, dirt, everything like that. And this also is the one with the self-cleaning brush roll. So my long hair is not supposed to be getting stuck in it. We'll see how well that goes, because I have horrible time with my current vacuum cleaner with that happening so much that it kind of clogs it up and will not roll. And I lose hair like crazy. So if it can really withstand that, I will be absolutely amazed. And I have 2 toddlers, and so it's very important that we keep our floors clean, because they're always playing on them, but they're also very messy kids. Always have food everywhere, toys, you name it, it's gonna be there. Mud, dirt, whatever. And we have a sand pile outside, so I always have that to clean up. And I'm really excited about trying this vacuum cleaner. I paid $300 for it from the actual Shark website because it came with a 60-day money-back guarantee warranty, a limited 5-year warranty, and lots of cool stuff like that. It arrived within 3 days of shipping through FedEx, and they did have $50 off at the time that I ordered. I don't know if they still do. Pulling my camera down. And I know this video is a little unconventional at times because I got this little cutie right here trying to help me record. So sorry about that, guys. But this is my everyday life, and so it's going to be a very real video. All right, guys, I'm going to attempt to video this while I'm vacuuming. Show you my floor here. Plenty of dirt on it. Just little debris everywhere. So I went ahead and left all my little stickers on. Try to show you guys. It says you got the off, bare floor, and carpet. So we are going to switch it. Carpet. Step on this. Guys, this is easy to move. It's not super loud, but my kids are. I wanted to show you guys a feature real quick. There's this little thing right here. You can go like that if you need like a turbo to suck up bigger piles. How However, I didn't need it at all, and I sucked up tons of huge things. The kids are already making a complete mess again. Here is the dirt filter. As you guys can see, it has sucked up so much in there. All right, guys, I'm done vacuuming up my floor. It looks amazing. Totally impressed with this vacuum cleaner. Would 100% recommend it to anybody. I sucked up stickers, regular dirt, sand, little pony beads. I sucked up everything you could imagine. And I even accidentally sucked up a Nerf bullet, and it stopped the roller from spinning. However, it was super easy to fix. I just had to roll it right back out after I turned it off. And guys, this vacuum cleaner is amazing. It cleaned my floor spotless. I will show you another clip and probably pictures of how clean it is now. My other vacuum cleaner never got it this clean. And I was a little leery at first, it being cordless, because usually stuff doesn't seem to last as long or have as much power. However, this thing was absolutely amazing. You guys need to get this. And I'll show you little clips here and there. It's perfect vacuum cleaner for people with kids, pets, whatever. And it did not roll up much of my hair. It did have a little bit. However, it could have cleaned it out if I would have kept it running a little bit more after I had sucked it up. I don't entirely know. But since it only had like a couple of strands of my hair, I'm completely impressed. Usually it's wadded up. You take scissors. You can't even pull the stuff out because there's so much. But this was amazing, guys.